guys, hey, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. My name's Autumn and this is just a little extra video. Hold on, I'm shaking you guys, so sorry. Let me just stop that. Good night, Autumn. A little extra happy mail video to show you a couple things that are coming up in the channel. So first of all, and we're gonna set it up as we go. So this is the first one, but let me, am I still shaking you? Gosh, I'm so sorry if I am. You know how I am, guys. I'm a hot mess. I just dumped some stuff on the floor. Oh, brother. Okay. So first of all, this one I've been waiting for. So this is going to be in the Wild Card Wednesday lineup. This is from Kimmy at Beijing Girl Budgets, or Kimmy's Budget on Etsy. Beijing Girl Budgets on YouTube. So cute. This is her National Football League Make Your Picks Savings Challenge. Now, she started it last season, and I was like, yep. And I just couldn't get there. You know how sometimes you just can't get there. So I ordered the entire package this year. Thank you, Autumn. This is the bonus scratch off, so that's cute. But Kimmy can be a little spicy. So yeah, there's that. And then she sent a mini, which I love, Peace, Love, and Football. Yes, we will be doing this as a mini for sure. And then here it is. So here is the instructions, and this is what we're going to do today. So it says, game instructions. Prior to the start of the season, define how much you will save for right picks and wrong picks. Below, before each Thursday of the regular season, which starts on September 4th, make your predictions of who will win each match for the upcoming week. After the last game of the week, count the number of picks you made right and wrong. Multiply those numbers by the designated amounts that we're choosing today, and made below, and save that amount. Good luck and happy savings. So now, I have a son who knows everything about football, but I'm not that guy. So what we're gonna do is, I think we're gonna do for right picks. Let's see. We're going to put it in Sharpie, y'all, because it's going to be legit, okay? So for right picks, we're going to do $3, and for wrong picks, we're going to do $2, right? So that is what we're going to do. You've seen it here. You'll have to hold me accountable. So that's that. So that is the first thing you do. And then here are make your picks. So every week you put in the new weekly pick, which I'll get to. And then game bucks. So this is the savings where you put your money. And then here are that's where they put the money. So here are each week's challenges that she made. So it shows each game, and there are 16 games. Well, I think I counted 16. Yes. Yeah, 16 games each week. And so you have, I guess you color the little football on which one you choose, right? And then after that week, you go through and we see which ones you got correct and which ones you got wrong, and then you save that amount. I freaking love it. So September 4th, we will be starting this one, or the week of September 4th. Thank you, Kimmy. I love it. Thank you for creating it. You're amazing. This is so cute. I love it. Okay, so that's going to be in the Wild Card Wednesday lineup. So that'll be with a box challenge. So depending on how terribly, I guess, I do the math, I do the stats. Yeah, that's it. I'm not guessing. I know everything. Depending on how terribly I guess, let us know how much money we'll have for our box challenge. I have to quit shaking, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay. There we go. Maybe that's better. Okay, next up, this one is from my girl, Vicky, over at Vicky Thinks. I placed an order with her on her Ko-fi shop. I saw this and I was like, yep, I need to add this to a lineup for like a long-term saving situation. So, hi friend, thank you so much for your order. I decided to include the minis as well. I hope you like them. Love always, Vicky. Thank you, girl. That's so sweet. So here's thank you. So cute. And here are minis. So here's a tiny, and it's the circles. I love that. That is so cute. And here's a thank you mini. That's very sweet. And then these minis, a choo-choo train. Okay, girl with your 9s. Come on now. What's happening here? Okay. And okay, so different types of transportation, it looks like. Yep. Cute. Those are so adorable, Vicky. I love them. Thank you so much. I will put them in the lineup for sure. About those 9s, though, we need to have a chat about those. I don't know about 9s. So I ordered this Magical Savings box challenge. I was like, it's so cute. Okay, so let's see. It's been a while since I just kept forgetting to go to my post office box, guys. It was full plus one. They had to add to another one. It's a problem. So Magical Savings. So how I'm going to do this is I think I'm going to I'm going to keep them all together and just play the cards. Let's see how many. So this is the front, and then a roll and save. Section 1 is a roll and save. Love that. Section 2, just total, is Harry Potter. So it's like magical school, Harry Potter and vibes. So section 3, more. Section 4 is move 1 track at a time, save $3 every time you move forward, and save $1 each time you move backwards. What? Okay. So roll 1 through 3, move to the next track. Roll 4 through 6, move back 1. Okay, Vicky, sneaky. Okay, so then this is section 5, section 6, cute. Section 7, choose a 1 and race. Roll a d6 and save the number on the dice. If you win, save additional $5. If you lose, save an additional $8. Oh my gosh, spicy sis. I know, you know who that's supposed to be. Okay, yeah, shut the box. Okay, yeah. Section 9 is Snape's Apothecary. I love it. Oh, and it's all math. So you put the number here times 2, and then, okay, I love it. And then Wizard Race, section 10, and section 11, Catch the Dementors. So cute. And I guess you just, however much you want each Dementor to be. So there's 11 sections. So I'll probably roll a d12 to tell me which one we're going to go to first, you know, how we're going to get there. And I put that in with this, with our Saturday savings, our long-term savings that we're doing. So I'm going to put that in here. I don't know when we'll start it, but I wanted to show everybody what it looks like and put it in here. So that is going in there. I love that. Thank you, Miss Vicky. So cute. That, again, that's on her Ko-fi shop. And then this one comes from Soft Light Budgeting. And it's, okay, this is also going to go in that same binder. So it says, your order made my day. And this is on Etsy. Your order made my day. Cute clip. And thank you here, and a scratcher. But, you know, I'm nervous about the single scratchers, guys. I don't trust y'all. And then Soft Light Budgeting. That's super cute. Rainy day. So that's a mini. We will be using that for sure. And this is Hey Alexa, pick a number. This is the lower income. She does have another one that says pick a number between 1 and 25, I think. So I did pick a number between 1 and 10. And I'm going to put it in the same thing. So there's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 18 spots. So I mean, if you get 10 every time, which I don't think Alexa's going to do, but who knows, it could be $180. So I just thought that was a really cute way to save and very random, which I really like the randomness. And you can, this is laminated. I'm probably going to do it over and over again. Just keep it going. I love it. I have to make sure that Alexa can hear me. She also has a Hey Siri one. So make sure you go and check her out on Etsy, of course. And everybody will be linked in the description box below, guys. And this one is this is from my girl Maddie at Floating Fun. So this is her membership. I signed up for her membership because I just think that Maddie's stuff is so adorable. There's something, oh, Maddie, it's a flower. It's a flower. Okay, it's like a notebook charm. So cute. I love it. Thank you so much for joining my membership. I'm truly honored and blessed that anyone would want to be a part of this community with me. I hope that you all have all your fun gifts, and I can't wait to hear about how much you are able to accomplish this year with your savings. Love, Maddie. So cute. So I guess, oh, okay. I think this is an A for Autumn. Okay, hold on. Let me see. It's personalized. It's like a dashboard. How beautiful. Thank you, Maddie. That's beautiful. I didn't even know that was coming, guys. And then I've got welcome, save 38 with the little Nomeo friends. Adorbs. And then this is a cute little mini, each bubble. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. I will be using that for sure. Oh, it's little otters. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. It doesn't tell me. It's a mystery save and it's otters. Oh my gosh. Now, I'm not doing a lot of scratch and saves anymore, guys, because Scratch and Save Saturday had me like crazy. But I might have to incorporate somewhere some scratch and saves. I do, like, most of my scratchers are in Christmas at this point. But, you know, it's so cute. Maddie, thank you so much. Guys, go check out Maddie's. And this is her, is it a Ko-fi membership? Yes. This is her Ko-fi membership. So go to Floating Funds, linked and listed below her channel. Get there and then go and check out her beautiful membership. So cute. Or just check out her items. So that's what I've got for you guys today. So we set up our football for Wild Card Wednesday. Oh, we got some stickers. Oh, it's Tuddles. I like Tuddles. I like Tuddles. So this is for the part of my monthly membership. That's so sweet. These fun Under the Sea challenges, which makes sense why we have Tuddles. Those are cute. Okay, friends. Little turtle friends. So yeah, so we've added 2 new things to our Saturday savings and our long-term savings that we're doing. And we're going to add in September, first week of September, we'll be adding this to Wild Wednesday. So this is Saturday, this is Wild Card Wednesday. So yeah, stay tuned for all those. But don't forget to check out all the creators, the amazing creators that we have. I mean, there's so many, guys. Yeah. You know, Etsy jail is real. Ko-fi jail is real. I'm currently in Amazon jail, so there's that. But make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. God bless.